Here's the new Nintendo Switch 2. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is go ahead and power it on. You get the power button here, just press and hold, wait till it boots up. You should be at this screen when it boots up. Next, go ahead and grab your controller here and you just simply pop that in there like that. Okay, to take it out is super simple. You just have this little trigger right here. Just press this right there and it pulls out, this little trigger right there. Anyway, we'll put that side on. Let's go ahead and pop this side in as well. Just like that. From here, go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to do English and I'm in the United States. You can tap the screen or you can go ahead and select it by pressing letter A. And I'm in Americas. Here's the end user license agreement. You have to accept it to continue, so you might want to read over that. I'll tap on continue there, tap on next. Connect to the internet. I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi here. You can always do this later as well, but I'm going to do it now so I can get that update. Okay, there's my Wi-Fi network. Tap on that. I'm going to input my Wi-Fi password. After you put in your password, tap on OK. Connection successful. And there is a update. Let's go ahead and tap on next. Let's get that update right now. Find your time zone. I'm in Los Angeles, California, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that. Change play style. So you can go ahead and read through that, and we can go ahead and tap down here. And basically it's saying that you have a stand or a kickstand here on the back. Okay, so if you look on the back right here on the bottom, we can lift this up. You can put it however you want, just like that. Also on the bottom here, when you open up that kickstand, you can see where you can insert your SD card. Micro SD card will go in there. Okay. I'll tap on OK. Okay, so now it says detach right hand Joy-Con. Okay, so I already showed you how to remove this, that little button right there. We're just gonna press that. We're gonna pull that one out. Now it says detach the left side. Okay, so let's press that button there. Let's pull them both out now. Select next with the controller. You removed both of them, but we'll just do the right one here. We'll just select letter A. Okay. Now it says, do you want to connect to a TV and play on a larger screen? Basically, if you want to play on your TV or a larger screen, you just have to put it like in the dock here. But I'm not going to do it in this video, but maybe I'll do another one next time I want to set this up on the TV. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and choose later. And it says here, you can use accessories that came with your system to hold the Joy-Con 2 controllers in multiple ways. Like for instance, you have this right here that we can connect to and so on. If you want to read through the attachment guide, tap on there. For myself, I'm going to skip it. Choose a style. You can change it anytime. So we're just going to go ahead and tap on OK there. Ready to update system. Let's go ahead and update now. System will restart once the update is complete. Wow, that was super quick. System update complete. So from here, you have two options, okay? You can start system transfer or don't transfer. So you can start system transfer if you have another switch, like I have the OLED here. But I'm not going to do any of that. I don't even think I have enough space on here to load all of my games on there. And I also want this to be like a clean slate here. So I'm just going to click on don't transfer. Let's add a user. Let's tap on next. And here you can sign in to a Nintendo account, or you can add without signing in. For myself, I'm going to tap on sign in with Nintendo account. So they give me a QR code here. I'll just use the QR code. Let me go to my phone here and we're going to go to the site right there. Okay, so I just signed in from my phone and then the screen moved and now it's asking for a 5-digit verification code. That's on right here. So let me go ahead and type that in. All right, I'm going to tap on OK now. OK. Sign in Nintendo account. V, yep, that's me. Let's tap on OK. User added to the system. Here you can add more users. You can always do it later as well. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and skip. Parental controls, if you have kids or whatnot. For me, I'm going to skip. How to insert a micro SD card. If you have one, I don't have one at the moment, but I'm probably going to get one later. But basically, if you just go in the back, and like I said, you open up this kickstand here, you can see that's where you put your SD card in. Also very important, only micro SD express cards you have to use for the system, okay? So I got to make a note of that when I order one. And I'm just going to tap in skip. Setup complete. To go to the home menu, press the home button. So on the right side here, you get that little home button you see right there. Let's tap on that right there. And now I get a little message here. From here, you can re-download and play purchased downloadable games and content on your account. Okay. So I'm up and running right now. I don't have any games, but I do have some card games that I'll put in there. But I almost threw this away, but I have the Mario Kart here. I just gotta have to go to the eShop here and put that digit in there. But anyway, you should be all up and running now. There you guys go. Pretty simple.